Hello. Before we start to building our inputs for this character, I would like to show you how to import the asset from another Unreal project. So for that, let's say I want to change our material for our current flower, but I need some material, but that material not included in this project. So let's say we open the Unreal from its shortcut, and here maybe we found we find. Yeah, let me see. Okay, so maybe this material is pretty. You think it's pretty, and you want to use that in your project. So how we can get this material? So maybe we just create that, and we just put to the desktop and test. Okay, so we just randomly creating folder and try to launch this project to see what material inside it. Okay, here we are. So we click the folder. We see the folder, and we click the wall, and you see on your right hand side the material called MI Grid default, and how we can find it. You click this search icon, and the editor will jump to the material location, and you can see it said MI Grid default is a material instance. So which means this is just an instance. It's not the original material itself. So who is its parent? You can see the third line is said the material M underscore grid rotation. So M underscore rotation is the real material. So which means here. And once again, if you don't know where to find its parent, you can open it. And here you can see the parent is the M grid rotation. And again, you just click the browse. And because this is a new extra window, so back to our homepage, you can see it helps us jump to the material location. So this material is the one we want to export to our current project, right? We want to use that material, but how can we do that? So right click on that, and there's an asset action. Go to the migrate, not export, because these material need some function and a texture. So I think personally the easiest way is you use a migration. The older dependency will directly move to the new project by Unreal itself. So you don't have to worry about you miss the texture or you miss the function or something. Okay, so we click migrate, and now it shows you the other the dependency. So you can see if it will help us to migrate, copy all this stuff to the another content folder. This is important. So because Unreal, there's some a hidden rule here. All the material, not just material, all the content we create, they will put under content folder. So we click OK first, and it will ask us to select the other project's location. So for us, we select our project, and you need to make sure you click the content folder. So here, and select folder. Now you can see it's working now, and it said it's success. So go back to our original project. You can see right there, there's a new VRT folder comes under material called M grid rotation. So this is the material we want. Okay, right now, because I don't want to mess out our structure here, so you can do this or not, it doesn't really matter, because right now we can use this new material already. You go here, you click M, what is called rotation, grid rotation. Yeah, you can see right now we already have it. Okay, but before I use that, I want to create our own here content. So the first things I want to create our game folder. So which means underscore ULK Unreal Kevin shooter. Okay, so this is our game, and I want to move the I want to move the character, model, map. Those two folder was created by us. That's from previous video. So I want to move them, move to the game folder. Right. Okay. So it moved to, and we back to content. You see, there's a game folder, but it's empty. So basically, you can delete it. Yep. And the shooter BP object redirection. Yeah, just delete it. Now these two are download from marketplace or import, so we can tell which is which. Okay. So ML. Okay. Okay. So back to our material. Right now, I create our own. I want to create our own material. Yep. And there, because this is material we want to use on our, it's a grid material. I can name another. You can have another name. It doesn't really matter. So we move to our material. Wait. Let me expand this first. This is a folder we want, so we move this to grid and then move here. Yep. So right now, it helps us to move to. So now we can delete the VR template. Okay, and yeah, now we have the M grid. So let's change this very quick. And grid rotation, we have this pretty one, and let's change our map a little bit. So maybe to 3, and we keep the usual one. Okay, and save it. And I want to copy this floor to build our wall. So you press Alt and drag. Use your left mouse to drag this. You will copy directly, and you can see there's a floor too. And of course, I want to build a wall. I want me to wait. What? Okay. And do some resize here and there. I think it's still too wall. Okay, and another one. Yeah, I think I don't think we need to really put this in really accuracy, you just randomly put it. You just easily put it on the map and try to build a box, but no ceiling. This is just our like base environment. And again, press Alt, drop that, and yeah, I think that's it. And by the way, here in your right hand side, we want to make our map more organized. So I will say the geometry, and I want to put all this into the geometry. Okay. And save O. See that. And let me try to play. Yeah, I think I'm good with that. So okay, so yeah, so next video we will start to add some inputs to let player can be moved by our keyboard. Yeah, so see you in the next one.